Hi, my name is Leanne Jalan. I'm the Director of San Juan Basin Public Health here in Southwest Colorado, serving Archuleta and La Plata counties. This has been a long 8 months across the country for COVID-19. And unfortunately, in the last 2 weeks, the case incident rate in Archuleta County has grown past the severe risk level as determined by the state of Colorado. And the state of Colorado has moved Archuleta County into the severe risk restrictions. This new level red restriction for Archuleta County requires that restaurants only serve takeout and outdoor dining. It limits capacity in most other industries and prohibits most types of public and private large gatherings. So the information specifically about what this new red restriction means for Archuleta County can be found on our website at San Juan Basin Public Health. It can also be found on the state website at SJBPH, and we will make sure that link is put into the chat. So the reason Archuleta County is being assigned to join severe risk restrictions like La Plata County is because Colorado is experiencing a tremendous surge in cases. This surge in cases has led to very high hospitalization rates and increased fatalities across the state. Here in Southwest Colorado and across the Western Slope, in the last couple of weeks, 0% capacity of ICU beds has been reported as available in the region, and hospitals have had a difficult time treating patients and finding care for individuals that are showing up needing care, whether it's related to COVID or related to something else. For Thanksgiving, we saw about 30% less travel than typical Thanksgiving year. So we know a lot of people made adjustments so that they can keep their loved ones safe this holiday season and for holidays to come. We hope that all of us can make those adjustments in the next couple of weeks so that we don't experience what we've just been warned by the CDC will be the darkest period in our nation's history in public health. We've gotten a lot of questions recently now that the state has moved both of our counties into the severe risk category. How do we move out of it? So again, this risk category is based on the fact that our case incident rate has exceeded 350 cases per 14 days per 100,000 residents. In fact, both of our counties are over 1,000 cases for 14 days for 100,000 residents. So in order to move back on the dial to fewer restrictions for our communities, we have to drop our case count by about 2/3. This is something that we can all do. When you make choices in the next couple of weeks about what activities you will engage in with your friends and family, if we choose safer activities, doing things outside when possible, maintaining our 6-foot distance, keeping our face coverings, working from home, not going out if we have symptoms, certainly not showing up to work with symptoms, these type of things, all of these individual choices that each one of us makes to not share our air, and especially don't share your air if you have symptoms, is exactly how we will drop our case count down to a level where we can reopen businesses that have been closed in severe risk. The state has moved us into severe risk. They will move us out as soon as we have 14 days of lower metrics. Again, each one of us can make choices to help lower these metrics, and we will get there as a community. For 6 months from when the state of Colorado lifted its stay-at-home order, we kept our case count well below this threshold. We can get back to that threshold if we all work together and do the right thing, and we can have our loved ones here these holidays and for holidays in the future. Thank you.